Your posture on drums is very important because if you don't sit well when playing on the drums, you'll have like back pain, neck pain, and even pain in your legs. So when you sit on the drums, on the drum throne, you have to keep a straight back while playing. It's very important to keep your back straight, like this. Now, for how to place your feet on the pedals, it's very important, as shown on the screen, to place your heels like this on the pedals and press the pedals with your toes, okay, like this, whenever you need to play on the pedals. Now, for the hi-hat cymbals pedal, you have to keep on pressing the pedal the whole time when playing on the hi-hat to get a closed hi-hat cymbal sound. And whenever you need an open one, you release the pedal and play on the cymbal like this. Now, for your right foot bass drum pedal, whenever you need to play a bass, you press with your toes on the bass drum like this. Now, this technique is called the down heel technique. We have another technique which we call the up heel technique. The up heel technique is as shown on the screen, pressing the pedals with the toes and leaving the heels up like this. Now, whenever you want to play on the pedals, you release the pedal and press it back like this. Of course, you'll do the same with the hi-hat cymbals pedal. For now, I want you to use the down heel technique. Leave the up heel technique for later on when the number of kick hits increases or hi-hat cymbals pedal increases. In the next video, you learn your first drum rhythm.
Don't forget to like and drop your thoughts and requests in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so we can keep the drums community growing.